Hello to you, my jewelry maker friend. Hope you're doing very well and be ready to make a very beautiful yet simple wire earring. To make this beautiful earring, we need two types of wire, 1 millimeter in thick and also 0.8. Our main tools: round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter. A bead or stone for the dangling part, and also the hard hammer. We start by 1 millimeter wire and also a round nose pliers. So we start to make a swirl by putting round nose pliers at the starting point of the wire, and we roll this round nose pliers to have a P shape, and then put it again inside and continue rolling the wire, but with a distance in between. It's not necessary to attach every row. Till now we have something like this, and we are going to make that like a drop shape by putting chain nose pliers somewhere here and then bend wire. Then we continue forming the other side by pushing our thumb and making a curve. Then cut it out somewhere in front of this spiral at the other tail. This would be the main structure, and we are going to hammer it a little on our hard hammer. We pick a hard surface and a hard hammer and then put our structure on, and we would start to push on that hard surface till we get to this flattened surface. And here we are going to add two decorative parts. One would be attached to this part, and for doing that we need a wire coil by wrapping our thinner wire all around this structure. And do you remember how to make this wire coil? If not, don't be worried. Just go to this video and see how to make this beautiful wire coil. We start by attaching this wire coil by inserting the tail of this part into the main structure and make a tie here by wrapping it about 2 or 3 times. After doing so, this is the time to wrap the whole wire coil all around this part of the main structure. And I'm going to make loops all around this part, just like this. And I'm going to repeat this at least for 3 or 4 times. And then would pull this wire coil and cut the wire out. And again, I would wrap the extra part all around to fix this decorative part. And that's it till now. We are going to add the second decorative part that could be any bead or stone, but it's better to use an oval shape or a drop shape of bead or stone, and then insert your 0.8 wire in. Make a very little U shape with your round nose pliers. Then close it by pushing it with your chain nose pliers, just like this. And at the other side, I'm going to make a 90-degree bend, put in my round nose pliers and roll the wire all around and make a tie here with a loop, just like this, and then wrap the wire all around till it gets onto the bead or stone, just like this. And now at the end we need to make a 90-degree bend and to cut the wire out. Then we push the extra part onto this helix part. Maybe we need to fix it a little, and then by adding a jump ring in between, we add these two parts together and then close it. And there it is, our very beautiful and simple wire earring that you could use in every occasion, because this is kind of minimal and decorative, both of them. And don't forget to use file jewelry to smooth these sharp edges. Hope you had enjoyed this tutorial and you would like it. Love you so much. Take care and bye-bye.